Hey guys, join me today to see how I made this beautiful solid wood console table from a kit for just under $350. It has two really nice smooth sliding drawers. And this kit was super easy to assemble. It was a matter of attaching 4 legs and a bottom shelf and just a few brackets. When you go to attach the legs, go ahead and slide the drawers out to make it much easier to access these bolts. And I put my brackets behind the front leg and inside the back leg so that they wouldn't be as noticeable from the front. I think the directions called for them to be put here, but I don't think it's a big deal structurally, so that's what I did. Now, one of the best ways to customize a stock piece of furniture is to not use the hardware they give you. So what I did here was I just sanded this hole down just a tiny bit. A little wood filler. I prefer this quick wood. After the wood filler dries, you'll want to give it a really light sand. I ended up painting 3 total coats, and I sanded only once lightly with a 220 grit sandpaper after the first coat. Just make sure you wipe it off really well after you do the sanding to remove any dust particles. Be sure to use a level here when you're figuring out your template for your hardware. And here she is, all finished.